before world's birth. Sir is a creative and seasoned tech professional. Mr. Singh has had the privilege of working with our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji during his tenure as Chief Minister of Gujarat. Sir is a firm believer in the power of language. Mr. Singh advocates the concept that English is the mother of AI. So kindly come upon the stage and share your valuable points with all of us.
And good evening, everyone. Today's session, I've been listening to a lot of today here. The last point that I pick up here, about design thinking. The lady who's talked about this, I come from that same city. I'm from Ahmedabad. Kiran Beer Sethi, I don't know if you know, because of her design thinking, Mr. Our Pope, the current Pope, had invited her to his place, and she's the only lady who's ever hugged him. So that's the kind of power design thinking had, and she's done a beautiful job. Yeah, thank you. My topic today, okay, so my topic today is something that I'm wearing on my t-shirt. We're talking about English. So हम पंजाब में हैं, I come from Gujarat state. But what I'm going to talk about is very, very important. I'm going to start with certain things. I'm going to slowly take you through. And these are very, very important things that I would want all of you to actually focus on. You see, I'm going to start with this point here. Just listen to this. Does your first standard student read like this?
Then was a farmer. He used to grow rice in his field. One day, while working in the field, he saw something shiny in the soil.
Okay, I will stop here for a minute. This is a class 1 child of a tier 2 city. Fortunately, that city is where Chandok sir is from. This is from Kanpur. And the school's name is Sanatan Dharm Education Foundation. So I'm not talking about a convent school. This is something very, very important. And the reason I'm talking about this is, how did the child get to do this? So I'm going to take you through a little thing. How did the child pick this up? Okay. So we have a book here. If you see, yeah, the gold coins. Okay. One very important thing, why I'm showing this to you, I'm sorry there's internet issue here, but why I'm showing this to you is, how did this child pick this up? If you look at this book, okay, so we first make these people listen to the story, something which is very important. It all depends on the internet when it starts, but you listen to a story first. Beta, are you close by? So what we do is, the child actually will listen to this. It says, Nandu was a farmer. He used to grow rice in his field. So the way the child listens is the way the child speaks. So it's very important to understand, because if you look at today's child and if you compare with yourself, today's children are not reading as much as we have read. And reading is a very, very important.
Nandu was a farmer.
Right?
He used to grow rice in his fields.
Okay, when I come to this point, we'll listen to more of this.
One day, while working in the field,
While working in the field, he saw something shiny.
he saw something shiny in the soil.
So why I've made you see this or listen to this is that, you see, to inculcate good reading habits and to be able to speak properly, students need to listen properly. The major problem is that, language, or the major point is, language is always developed by imitation and repetition. You have to listen to something properly, listen to it multiple times, and then try to imitate it. So that's it. So why I have shown you this is that the students actually pick up all this from listening and doing. So I'll take you back to the point here. Okay, so this is where, no, sorry, this is somebody else's. Okay, coming back to this point. So we are at this point where we're talking about, we've seen this. Now going next, the next point is the future. Please understand, in today's tech-driven world, the future is not knowing everything. The future is to know where everything is. आज की डेट में, if you look at our time, this was the syllabus, but today it is this much. Our time the information was this much, today the information is much more than. So what is very important is for our students to know where to find everything, and that they can know only if they are able to read and read more. Today we are talking about flipped classrooms. We've been talking from last 5-7 years. People have yet not implemented. But what is flipped classroom? You tell a child that tomorrow this is what I'm going to teach and come prepared. Or you say, I want you to come and bring in 10 lines on a certain thing. Okay? Say we talk about geography and you say, okay, tomorrow I'm going to talk about volcanoes. Right? And if I tell them, okay, get me 10 lines of volcanoes, what is the child going to do? Rush home, open up the computer, sit on Google volcanoes. Do you think they'll get 10 lines? No. They're going to get 10,000 lines. From those 10,000 lines, they have to actually extract and bring in something. Now that is the place where they need to read. Understand, best of these students are art readers. They say, if you can't travel, read a book. And that's a fact. You get to know a lot more. So when we talk about this, that you need to know where to find everything. And going next, if you look at this, developing strong reading habits lays the groundwork for effective communication. Communication is speaking, right? How does reading help that? So if I take you to the next point, this is what it does. Okay, when reading skills improve, okay, they improve the ability to articulate. If I read more, I have better vocabulary. If I read more, I can form sentences properly, and the flow is very, very natural. Because you see, reading will provide you with knowledge, but speaking gives life to that knowledge. If you know something and if you're not able to put it out, that is of no use. So speaking now becomes important. So I started with reading, why it is important, what we need to do, and now I'm going on to speaking. Now when we talk about speaking, there's something very important that will come up here. You see, after all, speaking is the most fundamental skill today. Okay, when I talk about AI, okay, when I talk about English, mother tongue of AI, why do we say that? Tomorrow, the most important skill in the era of AI, we've just touched the tip of the iceberg. AI is huge. So what is it that our students need to know? The previous speaker, the first one, they said, we don't even know what kind of jobs are going to be there when they grow up. But know one thing, that the AI is going to change the world, and for our students to be able to work with AI, they say, if you can't beat them, you beat AI. Let me tell you, we can't beat AI. But best is that we join AI, and for our students to be able to use AI properly, they need to know prompt engineering. And prompt engineering is nothing but proper English prompts, sentences, phrases. एक गलती उल्टा जवाब. So it may harm you if you don't use it properly. So that is the place that we say that reading and speaking, they are fundamental. Going further, if you look at this, but very important. Before this, ma'am on the right side, she talked about measuring, right? That is important today. Can we measure the outcomes? Let me bring it to the language framework. We're talking about how often, have you found ourselves struggling to find out where is it that our students are struggling. Unless we know where the problem is, we can't have a solution. अगर आप ब्लड टेस्ट नहीं करवाओगे तो आपको ये नहीं पता लगेगा कि डेंगू है कि टाइफाइड है. So that is very, very important. दवाई दे दी, अच्छा नहीं ठीक हुई, दूसरी दवाई हुई. That doesn't work. So what we need is, have we been able to identify the areas where students need improvement? Next, if I take up to a very important thing here is that can you accurately access the child's pronunciation, sentence formation, grammar, vocabulary level, right? And if the answer is no, we are in trouble. If you do not know where the problem is, you will not be able to get the solution. So what is very important? This comes here. Okay? Imagine a world, like ma'am said, that you are able to measure all the outcomes. If you think this is the outcome and you know where to go. So you can set up standards, you can set up your ways of going to the next level, and that's exactly works here. Imagine a world where you could assess a child's pronunciation, their sentence formation, their language abilities, you will know where to go on. But sadly, that is not happening. Okay? Sadly, that is not happening. But now let me show you what AI can do. So if I go to the next point, let's look at this. We're talking about introducing India's, I would say, worlds. I have not traveled the world, so I'm not going to say that. Introducing India's first AI-based linguistic insight engine. Now, what is this linguistic insight engine? You make a child speak, and then you find out exactly where the child is going wrong. In what terms? Let me show that. So when we talk about linguistic insight engine, okay, let's look at this. Okay, it offers learners with immediate, objective and holistic insight about their language proficiency. मैं आपको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ. हमारी क्लास में नॉर्मली 40 बच्चे होते हैं, ठीक है? अब एक लैंग्वेज क्लास चल रहा है. टीचर ने उनको बोला, ओके काम करो बेटा, आप 10 लाइन्स रिकॉर्ड करो या आप 10 वर्ड्स रिकॉर्ड करो. End of the session, the teacher will have to listen to 400 lines or 400 words, which is practically not possible. We are humans and we just can't do it. But imagine if somebody could tell the child then and there where exactly they've gone wrong. One. Second, what is the remedy? Sif, diagnose karna is not the end of the problem. That is the beginning of the end of the problem. So then you need to show them that how exactly you work on that. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you. That, this is what we talk about. Let's look at what it can do. Okay? It is a state-of-the-art feature which meticulously analyzes the speech in real time, offering instantaneous rating on fluency, grammar, intonation, pronunciation, and vocabulary. These are some very important aspects when we talk about speaking. Grammar and other things, normal things, objective things you can check. What about getting something where a child speaks about anything? That is what we need to work on. And if you're able to tell the child then and there, then this is what you need to do and this is how you do it, your problem is solved. Because each and every child has a different problem and the solution too is going to be very different. So let me come here, let me take you to the next part. Let's look at this. AI feature meticulously not only analyzes but also teaches them how to improve. If you know where you've gone wrong, then if you know how to improve, your work is done. Yeah? And that too with unlimited access to AI. You see, today AI has become very important. AI, designed to work for your solutions is actually what is required. ChatGPT is a way to use AI, but then you make it work for you. So let me show you something very interesting here. Okay, I'm going to take you to something. This is the kind of report that comes in. So I would request, I'm going to go to the actual thing. I'm going to take you to an actual point here. Can I request any of the principals to ask me to speak on a certain topic? I will do that. Why I'm saying that? आपको ऐसा ना हो कि पहले से मैंने अंदर डाल के रखा है. So can any of the teachers tell me or principals give me a topic to speak on? Don't ask me to talk about grammar topics, current affairs or anything or whatever comes to your mind. Anybody? Please help me. कोई नहीं? I've come all the way from Ahmedabad. Right? Can you give it to me? Beta, where is? Bring your phone close by. Yeah. So what I want is I want to actually speak on a particular topic. What I will do, I will wait for India to come in. What I will do is I will speak on that topic. I'll purposely make mistakes and show you how AI can give you the solution, not only the report onto that, right? So, is it working? Your internet is there. So let me give me a minute. I will restart this. Meanwhile, would anyone want to ask a question? Can I ask a question to someone? Okay.
So I have
yes.
a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Do you feel that ChatGPT is right right way to use, and I found it. When I went through with this, then I found many mistakes in that. So many of the students and even teachers, even sometimes we also feel like to take out some ideas from that, but I found many mistakes in that. So do you feel that is a good device to use in the school?
Okay, so let me explain to you what AI is, then we'll go to ChatGPT. See, let's understand thank you ma'am. What is AI? It is nothing but expert systems. AI क्या होता है? बहुत सारा डेटा होता है. Millions and millions of stuff. Okay? What AI does is you ask anything, it goes and finds and gives it to you. That is what Google does. Google क्या होता है? आप जो बोलते हो वो दे देता है. AI क्या करता है? उसी Google को जाके further work करके आप जो मांगते हो उस फॉर्मेट में आपको दे देता है. अब किसी ने अगर गलत चीज रखी हुई है तो गलत चीज लेके आ सकता है. So you cannot say that AI will always be 100% correct. That is why they say that when you're using AI, when you're using AI or when you're using ChatGPT, understand उठा के कॉपी करके पेस्ट नहीं करना, उसको रीड करना, क्योंकि नकल में भी अक्ल यूज करनी होगी. Please understand, and that is where we are telling students it is good to use AI, it's good to use OpenAI, it's good to use ChatGPT, but please be mindful of going through it and find out whether it's correct or not. इसका ये मतलब नहीं होगा कि हम दिमाग यूज करना बंद कर दें, ChatGPT दिमाग बन जाए.
Don't you feel that we are losing our vocabulary also while using all these gadgets?
Ma'am, I'll tell you one
We
thing.
are not able to.
True. Do we have a choice? One. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ. जब हम जब पढ़ा करते थे, तब हमें कैलकुलेटर स्कूल में लाना अलाउड नहीं था. हर एक कुछ करवाते थे. आज का बच्चा कैलकुलेटर लेके आता है, बस उसकी लाइफ हमसे ज्यादा अच्छी होगी. जो मोनोटोनस चीज है, वो चीज मशीन कर रही है. राइट? अब अगर मेरे पास प्रॉपर वोकैबुलरी नहीं है, तो मैं उसको यूज कर लेता हूँ. लेकिन अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, जब आप इससे बात करोगे तो ChatGPT को पॉकेट में लेके नहीं कहोगे. तो इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि ये एक ऐसा स्किल है जिसके बिना आप आगे नहीं जा पाओगे. आप दिमाग यूज नहीं कर रहे हो, ठीक है. आप engineering नहीं करें, ठीक है. I'm not against engineering. By the way, I'm not that. What is important is that you will need a particular skill to actually go and work out with AI, with ChatGPT, or with anything that you want. And that skill is English. Okay, coming back to this point, can anybody help me with a topic, anything that you want me to speak on? तो सर आप दे दो.
वैल्यू एजुकेशन.
वैल्यू एजुकेशन. मैं वैल्यू एजुकेशन में बात करूंगा और मैं छोटी सी बात करूंगा, 10 सेकंड 15 सेकंड करूंगा. गलतियां जान के करो, प्लीज डोंट जज मी ऑन दैट. ओके, बिकॉज़ आई वांट द सिस्टम टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू हियर इज आई एम गोइंग टू सिंपली कम. Today's session we are talking about value education. I have heard a lot of people talking about value education. What is value education? I do not know. I have tried many a times. I and my friends have always discussed. मैंने जान के कुछ गलतियां कर दी. ठीक है. अब ये क्या कर रहा है? Now this is going to 5 different servers. We'll go to first server and find out where exactly I was wrong when it was the grammar component. What was wrong and what is it that I should have used? मुझे immediate बताइए. Second, मेरा fluency था कि नहीं? Third, मैं internet modulate किया कि नहीं? Fourth, which sounds were not okay? And fifth, what kind of vocabulary I used. That is important, because what happens is that very moment the child will get to know, or the learner will get to know कि मेरी ये गलतियां हैं, मैं इसे करूं, and again they can use that same topic and speak on it. It will take time because of internet not being very good, but this is something that we are working on. Yeah. So what actually happens there is here AI will help a child perform better. अब ये देखिए, ये उसके लिए बोल नहीं रहा, ये उसके लिए काम नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन wherever the child is going wrong or they have problem, this will actually go and support and show them what exactly or how exactly they should have spoken that. Not only that, इसमें एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है कि अगर मेरा साउंड गलत है तो बता देगा ये साउंड आपका गलत था. फिर क्या? ओके, वी हैव द रिपोर्ट हियर. बेड़ा गर्क है मेरा, right? Okay, but okay. So this talks about fluency, grammar, intonation, pronunciation, vocabulary, and wherever I made mistakes. If you look at this, can you see this? जहाँ जहाँ मैंने गलतियाँ की, वो सारी गलती पकड़ के उसने कर दी. पता है हैज की जगह हैव, ए की जगह था हैज नहीं था. tried many, tried it many. I and my friends नहीं होता, my friends and I होता है. वो मुझे मेरी टीचर कहती थी, Jaswinder, keep the donkey behind. Right? So can you see? We humans may be able to do it, but how often and for how many students? So this is what it does. Not only that, if I go further, look at this. You see, some of the letters are red in color, right? Because those sounds are not okay. So if I come and click here, this is here, it'll tell me this is how you need to work on this. Right? Or if you look at this was okay, education, how do I need to produce that? Or if we talk about the letter W, wo,
Ow.
okay, no. ठीक है, अब ये सिर्फ W नहीं है, आओ हुआ, right? So this is what it does, and I think this is a diphthong. Okay, let me go to something else. और कहाँ गलत हो गया? Edu. Edu, right? So what it does, it will go and tell you exactly what you need to do. And if you come down here, it says I used 42 words, out of which 31 were unique. I repeated 11 words. You should repeat less number of words. It also says I did not use a uncommon word, right? I should use uncommon words. The moment I use more uncommon words, the level of my language goes up, and that is something important. This the child gets every time they use it, and wherever they've gone, can get over that. Ma'am is asking me to get out, so just 2 minutes to finish on this. Okay, so I'll finish on to where I left here. So this is what linguistic insight engine can do. Okay, going further, if you look at this, but we at Wordsworth do not stop here. What we've also done is you'll be surprised to know that we're the first company in the world to have come up with Sanskrit lab. Okay, so Punjab में इतना नहीं होता है, but Sanskrit lab plus French lab, the first Indian company to have created a French lab, because a lot of schools are now offering French. Spanish is going to come in, German is going to come in, because India has a tie with France, Germany, Japan and Israel to provide trained manpower knowing their language. This is what we talk about. मैं एक मिनट और बस गया भैया. We are there with 3,000 schools and 1 million students we work annually, right? The focus is very clear. Get the best of technology, use it to impart important skills, and the most is why? Because English is the mother tongue of AI. आप समझ लेना, इसके बिना लाइफ नहीं है. Our kids need to be good at that. Today we offer you a chance. We can come and do an assessment for one class of yours for you to know where it is. Anytime, just let us know. I'm going to have my brochure on your tables. And tomorrow, let's see a future with the child, which is good for child. Right? Thank you so much, everybody, and thank you for having me. Thank you so much. That's me in a car.
So very true. Reading provides knowledge, but speaking brings that knowledge to life. Thank you, sir, for taking up this topic for the workshop. Dear guests,